Hello, my dear viewers. This is the Dukas Copy Academy, and you are watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. Today is Tuesday, 2nd of April 2024. Hello, Leon. How are you? This is your first time here. Welcome to the stream. Leon, if you are not aware, I am not an employee of Dukas Copy. Okay, I'm just an independent analyst. Therefore, whatever is coming from my mouth is not the Dukas Copy's research team's work. I'm just a member of the community. Okay. Leon, are you trading with the Dukas Copy Bank or you're trading with somebody else? Got it. Okay. So those who are already were aware of me, I'm doing this webinar every day at 1700 GMT, and in this webinar I just try to give a hint to my viewers what may be the important levels to consider in the coming time in the forex majors and a few indexes, Brent, crude oil, and then Bitcoin, and some of the others which may have been suggested by the viewers only. So I like it very much when somebody joins here and speaks up in the first minute that he is here, he or she is here, so that we can have an interactive session. Otherwise, I will have to wrap up the session only in 15 to 20 minutes if nobody's talking. But if somebody is participating, then we can extend it so that everything is taken care of. All right, I will just go through quickly from the introduction part, and then we'll focus on the charts. Like I was saying, that this is a chart oriented webinar where we'll be only focusing on the charts and will not be talking about anything that is fundamental in nature, because that is not my area of expertise. I can tell you whatever is happening in the world is already priced into the chart, so we don't have to talk about anything. So for our purpose, we will be using the candlestick type of charts, and we'll see what are the key levels for all the instruments that we check, and we'll see how we can use those key levels into our setups that we are going to develop. Okay, we'll be only focusing on the 4 hour and 1 day, and for entries we can focus on the 1 hour. But everything that I say in this live stream is only for information or knowledge. It has nothing to do with the trading, please. I mean, of course you can, but I will not be responsible for your profits as well as for your losses. So please do your own research before you put your money on the line. I'll not talk much about it, but I will just take you through the risk disclaimer. Please understand it. There is no guarantee of profits or losses in the future. Past performances are not indicative of future performances. So please understand this and then only go to the charts. All right. So like always, this is our US dollar index. Why I show this dollar index every day in the beginning to my viewers? This is just to showcase the importance of the US dollar index. It is very, very important to know where the dollar is going. So that's why I say first things. Now you see that the bias is bullish as soon as the price went higher than this high. I'm just marking it for you to understand. See, the price was making earlier, the price was making here lower lows, lower highs, and lower lows. As soon as the price breached this high here in this one, we became buyers in this one. Okay, so we said that okay, now it has breached it, so we'll be seeing higher highs and higher lows, and we can go towards 104.89. now the price went to that side, but it has not been able to breach 104.89. so there is still possibility of the price rising from here after a retest of 104.26. maybe the bias is still bullish, and it will remain bullish until and unless the price breaks down from 103.72. now why is that? Because after making a high from here, the price made this low and then made another high. Now between these two highs, or I would rather say between these two swing highs, what is the highest low? This is the highest low. So this is a valid low for us to consider when the price moves down. If the price moves down and it obeys this one and stays above it, then we cannot say that this low is traded. That means the price has been saved. by the buyers and it will extend higher. But in case it breaks lower than 103.72 and even doesn't close, only trades lower, like if it just comes down like this and closes somewhere here, even then we'll be bearish on this market like this. But that has not happened, so we are bullish and we are expecting the price to remain bullish until and unless the price breaks below this level of 104.26. all right, got the idea? So this is what we are expecting. Now where is the support? 103.72 becomes your support automatically and this 104.89 becomes your resistance. Now this is the resistance, you are very close to resistance. Should you be opening sell order here? Should you sell this market here because you know that the price is going to be going towards 103.72? So the answer to this question is no. You should not open a sell position here. No, yeah, you got it right. Because the market is bullish, so we'll only be looking for a bullish setup, and the bullish setup will come when the price will be in our area of interest, and our area of interest is somewhere here, very close to 103.72. Great. All right, so let's have a look at the pound. What is pound doing? Well, we have to witness this. What here was a trend line. There were 3 tests to this trend line, so it was an important trend line. Then there was a breacher and thereafter it went to 38.2% and then it started closing down. Now this 2575 was very important level for us. Why it was very important level for us? Because from this high, okay, I will just remove this because this has of no value now. This was a weekly level that we have to consider. Why this was a weekly level? So this was a weekly high. All right, so you see from here this week started going down, okay, and so here we were expecting a resistance, but the price never went there. Now I'm coming back to 1 day. You see from this, when the price went down to this area, this becomes our support and the price went on to here and then it was sold off. Sir, can we take a look at Euro CHF? We will take a look at Euro CHF. You see, I also take the opinion from the viewers, what they want to have a look at. But after we are done with these things, we'll have a look at Euro CHF. If it is not urgent, is it something that you want me to show right now in Euro CHF? Is there anything that is happening right now? Right now. Because if it is something urgent, then we don't have to see it because it is urgent and there is no urgency in trading. Yeah, so it's all good. So we'll see Euro CHF at the end of the session. Okay, yes, in fact you should not make any decision in the rush. So right now it is acting as a resistance. This was a very good previous low with the huge volumes and now that is acting as a resistance. The price went all green to this level but got rejected. Looking at the lower time frames, it seems like there was a bullish pin bar. The price was the price went there with a huge volume. There should be a continuation. Ideally there should be a continuation of this price move and the price should be going higher, but because 1.2575 is a huge resistance, so there may be a profit booking over here. Now if you go to the low time frames, you will see that the price made 1 hour low around 1.2552. If the price trades below this, then this all price action on the upside will be negated. But should you sell this? Yes, you should be selling this because this is a selling market now. Yes, the price is making lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. So what you can do is on the 1 hour, since this looks like a double top here, if the price breaks say below this area, then you can look for a selling opportunity. How? This is 1 hour, okay, only intraday, like this. Fair enough. Now when I go to the daily again, I see that now 1.2575 is the resistance for me. This is not the actual pivotal, or you can say swing resistance. The actual resistance is this one now. This is 1.2668. Why is this the major resistance now? Because when the price was trending down from here, when the price was trending down from here, it went lower here, then it made a high here, then it made a low here, then it made a high here, then it made a low here. All right. So on the way down, between these two lows, this is the lowest high. So this is a valid high. Till the time the price doesn't break this, we cannot be a buyer in this market. So this is a fractal in nature. This logic is fractal in nature. You can go with this logic to any time frame and look for this thing. Okay. So now say if you are looking for a selling opportunity, yes, this is a selling market, but the price is rising on the daily. So you will wait for the 1 hour to become a seller. Like when you see that the price is making lower highs and lower lows in this market, then you open your sell positions. Right now, you see the price is making higher highs and higher lows. And when this aligns with the daily chart, that is daily is lower highs and lower lows. When it aligns with the daily chart, then it will be something like this. Yes. The price has made high this here, high here. Between these two highs, this is the highest low, or say this one. So yeah, you got it, Leon? Yes, very good. So let's go to euro. What is euro doing? Euro is also on the similar lines. It is also making lower highs and lower lows. In fact, you can remove this one and take it as a single point. But if you go to the 4 hour, you will see that they are the two different points. On the lower time frames, they are different points. See? So now from here, from the 4 hours point of view, you will notice that this is the resistance. Okay. So till the time the price is trading below 1.0807, you cannot be buying this market. Although here it looks like the price went lower here, then it made a high here, and then, oh no, there is something even better. I'm sorry, I should have come down to this level. High, low. Valid swing high, valid swing low, and the swing high is broken, boom, makes a low, boom. I think this will be valid on 1 hour. No, this is not valid on 1 hour. That means it first made a high here, then it made a low here, and then boom. But still it is valid, yes? No, it is not valid. It is not valid. So this must come down to take a support and then go up. Now going back to the 4 hour. But even if it goes up, then 1.0807 is the resistance. So we are not looking for a buying opportunities. We are looking for a selling opportunity. So we go back to 1 hour and look for something like this. We want this low to be broken, and then we enter the sell trade. We don't want to enter a buy trade because we have a strong resistance of 1.0807 on the way up. All right. Now coming back to the daily, what is the resistance? The resistance on the upside now is 1.0807, and the support on the downside is 1.0695. So that will be your target when we sell short here. Also notice that this is a confluence of resistances. What about the Australian dollar? Well, Australian dollar has broken from this trend line, and this looks like now a head and shoulder pattern to me, although this is not complete by me. If you can just do it like this, boom, 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 something like this. Okay, and the support here has also not been tested. This is around 0.6478. That is my target on the downside, and later on we can also target 0.6443 in this market. Now we cannot be looking for a buying opportunity. The price was making higher, lower, as low, then it made a high, lower, high. So yes, till the time the price is trading below 0.6539, we cannot be looking for a buying opportunity. Okay. In case of New Zealand dollar, it is a consolidation between this symmetrical triangle, and it's anything on the upside 0.6038 will be acting as a resistance, as a strong resistance. The support is at 0.5774, but if that happens, the symmetrical triangle will break and the price will head back towards 0.5508. So keep an eye on this one. This is a weekly. This is the daily. Even the daily is going towards that support line very fast. After this is broken, you can check for these lows here. 0.5864 will be the next support. After that, 0.5774 will be the next support. 5864 and 0.5774. USD CHF very bullish, very close to the target of 0.9113. Tomorrow or day after, you can expect that. But should you be buying this market? The answer is no. Why? Because it is very close to the zone of resistance now. On the contrary, if you see the price going below 0.9, then you should be looking to selling opportunity for this market. How? Something like this may happen anytime soon. All right. Now, if that happens, you will be a seller in this market, right? Fair enough. So look for this opportunity if you can get it. So USD CAD, yesterday there was a very good news for the US dollar, but yesterday it could not continue upwards towards 1.3620, and now it looks like 1.3785 area, the yesterday's high 1.3587 area is having a huge resistance. Today there is a I'll say neutral candle with this doji. Tomorrow there is a possibility of the price dropping from here. Why I'm saying so? US dollar has dropped. Yeah, oh no, USD CAD should have gone higher today actually. All right, so the price is not going anywhere. I will say resistance on the upside is 1.3620. I will not be buying this market because the resistance is very close, but yes, we will be buying this market if it is able to close a day above 1.3620, which I am not expecting it to do because dollar we are bearish in this one. Okay, of course the bias is bullish, but it is, I mean to say, it is very close to the resistance. So we will not be buying this market as of now, and we are expecting a move till 103.72. By that time USD CHF would have come here. Sorry, USD CAD would have come here. So in that case it would have broken this channel. That is what I am expecting. That if the dollar falls from here till 103.72, then USD CAD would have broken this rising channel. In that case, we will be looking for a selling opportunity in this market, and also in the process it would have broken this low because the price is making higher highs and higher lows, and here this is the highest low that the price has made, which is 1.3456. See that? Once this breaks, we can be sellers in this market. So we have to be cautious about this one also. So how can you keep an eye on this? Like this. All right. USD JPY very slowly moving towards 151.91, and this is a classic example of what has just happened in the gold. I will just show you the chart of gold for 1 second and then I'll come back to this. Okay, this is the chart of gold. This is the daily chart of gold. Now you see what happened here. You look at what happened in this region. In this region, the price did not go higher than this one. The price did not go higher than 2195 for a very long time, and it did not even go lower. So something similar is happening in the USD/JPY. If I go to this candle 151.97, the price has not gone higher from this candle and has not gone lower, but it is slowly rising with the volumes rising. And what happened in the gold after that? Boom. You see that? Boom. So something similar is cooking here. 151.91. The next target in this market is 159.88. To my knowledge, this is happening very soon. All right. So where is the resistance? 151.97. Where is the support? 150.26. That's it, guys. New Zealand CAD, we are very bearish. Any up move should be sold. 8105 is the resistance. 8040 is the support. So that doesn't mean, Leon, that you buy the USD/JPY right now. No. Look for a buying opportunity only at the breakout like this. It breaks out, it comes back. Even on the 1 hour, if it comes back to 151.97, that will be a buying opportunity. I think there may not be an opportunity to go to retest, maybe because in the case of gold, there was no opportunity. Boom. Okay. So New Zealand CAD may offer you another opportunity to go short around 0.8105 because the downside target on this one is 0.8040. There's nothing much cooking on here, so there's nothing much to talk. Below 0.8040, we'll open for 0.7967. Sorry, I got disconnected. So you can go back in the stream and watch it at the 2x speed. Okay. You can go back in my stream. This is DVR mode, so you can go back. Okay, the Bitcoin, finally we were expecting the Bitcoin to go down. 66,245 is clear today. Now if we close below this level, guys, if we close below this level on the 4 hour or on the basis of daily, I'm saying there is a high probability that we'll go back to 59,200. Very high probability. And if we get there, there's a possibility of buying from there, but also if we see a lower price, then there is a probability of going back to 50,578. So keep those things in mind. Okay, now the resistance may be seen around 66,245 and the support will be 59,200. What about Brent? Brent has broken all the records. It is even going higher than 87.81 now. Now the next target for this one is 90.42, from where you can expect some down move for a continuation further towards 93.80. All right, nothing else. Now actually you should be looking for a buying opportunity close to 87.81. Gold, we have no targets on the upside right now other than 2311, and I think the support area should be now around 2223 if the price comes back to this area. 2223. Nikkei, very nicely moving the channel, although we can increase or decrease this channel to the downside, but upside is limited. Till the time the price doesn't give a close above this falling channel, we cannot be buying this market once again. And I'm not expecting it to be bought today and tomorrow. I'm expecting the price to reach 38 to 78, and let's see what happens there. Right now, no trade in this market. Euro JPY also, we were expecting this trend line to act as a support. This is a channel and price is respecting that, but we cannot buy this market till the time the price is trading inside this channel on the downside. Once this channel breaks to the upside, we can be a buyer in this market, but this can only happen above 160.21. If in this price action it breaks below 160.21, then we are not buying this market. Okay, only above this one. So this can only happen here, nowhere else. GBPOD consolidating, no movement. Resistance is 19447 and 19184 is the support. CHF JPY downside, we had anticipated that. and the next target from 166.81 is taken, and the next target is now 165.63. This is open target to the downside. Below that we can have 162.19 also. Where is the resistance, guys? Now the resistance has moved down. You can remove all this. No, the resistance has not moved down. The resistance is still here. In fact, now you can remove everything else that is there. Okay. But if the price moves down from here, then the resistance will come down to this level, 168.19. Right now, the resistance is at 170.90. The support, the next support is 165.63. The last is Aussie New Zealand. Although it is rising good, but I'm not buying this market because it is very close to the monthly resistances. So I will wait for the price to clear off this resistance above 1.0950. Once that happens, then I'll be looking for buying it in the long term with a target of 1.1069, and of course higher also, but first target will be 1.1069, 1.1088, and thereafter we have no resistance whatsoever till 1.1493. There is a small resistance over here. There is a resistance over here, here and here. Okay, 1.1177, 1.1383, but these will be taken out if we get above this monthly level. All right, this trend line is based on the monthly. This one looks like a buy this month. You mean the Australian dollar against the New Zealand? Yeah. So that's all from my side, guys. I think you were looking for Euro CHF, so I will bring that up for you. Euro CHF. Swiss has a good policy. I think this month it should go up. Yeah, Aussie New Zealand is a buy, but buy it only above that monthly level that we have discussed. See, this is a monthly trend line that is coming. I'll show you on the monthly chart. You see these monthly candles? This is what is coming here. All right, sorry. This is the monthly level. Oh my, that's my bad. Monthly level is higher. Yes, so yes, it is a buy, but only above 1.0950, please. Euro CHF. This is the monthly chart of Euro CHF. Well, 3 months with a positive sign. Well, there is more positivity to this one because the Swiss bank has, I think, changed some policies, which is leading to more Swiss franc depreciating. So even if you get a turnaround from here, you should be looking for a buying opportunity only in this one. And frankly speaking, I'm not expecting the price to go even below this 0.9709, to be frank with you, because there's a lot of buying in this candle, you see, and this is a bullish pin bar. When the price dropped, they did not allow this candle to break. So I don't think that the price is coming down in this one, at least for some time. And I believe 0.9842 and maybe even 1.0042 will be tested very soon in this one. That's all from my side, my friend. Leon, on the 4 hour, let's see what has happened on the 4 hour. You see, on the 4 hour, it tried to retest this level, but here met with the buying, and then they did not even allow this to break, and the price went higher, retraced, boom, further higher. 0.9842 is the target. That's all, guys, from my side. I hope you have enjoyed this session. I hope you know about the support and the resistance levels that are of interest in the coming hours and days. Just remember to only risk less than 1% of your entire capital on any single trade, and look for a potential profit of more than 3 times the risk that you're going to take. With this note, I will end this live stream. Please smash that like button for me if you find this video useful for you. You can leave your suggestions in the comment section, and please consider subscribing to the channel for more such webinars. Have a good day. See you tomorrow at 1700 GMT. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye. Take care.